okay lang ba na mag-fasting? Tapos yung motive mo, ba't ka magpa-fasting? Parang magkaroon ka ng love life. Magka-asawa, magka-boyfriend, magka-jowa, ganyan.
I know a lot of testimonies na nag-fasting sila for relationship. Bago ako nanligaw sa'yo, nag-fasting ako. Pinag-fasting kita. Yung pagpasok kasi sa relationship, whether pandiligaw, whether paghingi ng confirmation, if will ni Lord yung tao na yun na ipipursue mo, big deal siya kasi it will affect the rest of your life. We all know na pagpasok sa relationship, ang motive and goal niya is not just for enjoyment or masabi na meron kang karelasyon. Ang goal natin as Christians why we enter into relationship ay para mag-asawa. Ngayon, ang hindi aware, ang maraming mga Kristiyano, isa sa pinakamalaking decision na gagawin mo sa buong buhay mo ay ang pagpili ng mapapangasawa. Kasi siya yung makakasama ng majority of your life. Yung asawa kasi katuwang siya na ibinibigay ni Lord. Dahil napakalaking part siya ng buhay natin, it really requires humility before the Lord. Na Lord, since this is a big decision of my life, ay kailangan ko i-depend dito sa'yo. Kasi diba, we all know na yung fasting, hindi naman siya panunuhol kay Lord. Hindi natin yung gagawin para, ay bigyan mo ako Lord ng love life. Yung fasting kasi, ang meaning nun is humility before the Lord. Telling God that I need you. Admitting to God na Lord, I cannot do this on my own. I need your intervention. I need your help. Kaya, for me, yung love life, kailangan mo talaga siyang ipag-fasting kasi sobrang laking decision-making na gagawin mo sa buhay mo pag papasok ka sa relationship.
It's not just getting what you want but it is also preparing yourself for what God has for you.
Yeah.
And preparing yourself to battle against anything na maaring makapigil sa'yo to stay yung lane na gusto ni Lord na tahakin mo. And it's good to fast para matrain mo yung flesh mo to submit to what the Lord's will is in your life, to submit to your spirit. Tapos, ikaw yung makapag-lead dun sa flesh mo. Hindi yung flesh mo yung
That's
mag-lead
right.
sa'yo.
Siguro, we can summarize that sa 3D. Yes. Yung effect
Talaga
ng
naman
fasting
yung
sa love life.
Gate D nakapagbigay pa sa'yo.
Yes, nasa gate D. Yung sinabi mo, dominion, when you fast for it, you take dominion sa anything na pwedeng mag-interfere sa pagpasok sa relationship. Second D is discernment. Di ba kasi gulong-gulong yung Christians, will ba ito ni Lord or hindi? Siya na ba, Lord?
Ayan.
When we fast, nagiging sharp yung discernment natin kasi mas nagiging sensitive tayo sa sinasabi ni Lord for us. When we fast, we take time to listen, we take time to pray, we take time to hear what God has to say to us. And lastly, parang yung mga araw na yan,
Direction.
God can instruct you. When you are fasting, He gives instruction. Ano ba yung need na tamang gawin? I have to stop ba? I have to delay this ba? O kailangan ko na ba mag-step out? May clear instruction. Naalala ko when God revealed it to me na i-pursue ka. I fasted for it and I asked the Lord, Lord, totoo ba itong nare-receive ko from you? I need discernment kung season na ba ito, kung tama ba. I need direction kung go na ba. I meditated on the Word of God. Yung word na na-receive ko dun kay Lord, si Adan, binigyan niya ng Eva nung panahon na bilis sa pinapagawa ni Lord kasi may assignment sa Lord kay Adan. Yung personal dealing sa akin na receive ko nun ay it's about time kasi He's giving me an Eve to be a helper sa pinapagawa sa akin ng Panginoon. And yung direction, yung clear word sa akin, I have to do it now. Nung season na yun na, if I will delay it or hindi ko siya susundin, I will regret it forever. Para siyang opportune moment, kairos moment na kailangan ko ng i-go. Pag hindi, pag pinalagpas ko, I will regret it.
So, uy, Gates din